In this video, we're going to use the Draw Line tool in MPCore. The CAD tools, including Draw, are here on the first button. When we left click on the button, we're presented with the options. We can draw a point, a line, a polyline. We can add text, a curve, a circle, an arc, and a rectangle. So we're going to use the line tool. We monitor down the bottom left. So we're prompted to click on the start point. This could be snapped to an object depending on the snap selections, but at this stage we're just free form. And the same for the end point. And again, this could be snapped to something or any freeform location. So we'll start with just a freeform, and there's our line. Now to use the tool again, we don't need to left click and select because this is the last function. We just right click on this tool and that starts the draw again. So we'll click on the start point. This time we'll define a length. So we type the word L and immediately it prompts us for a length. So let's type in 1500, enter. Now there's the line that is now 1500. So it's now prompting us to click to fixing point where the end will go. So we can see we're limited to 1500. The length has been defined, and now it's looking for us to define where that second point will be. So we can click anywhere to draw the line at that length. Alternatively, we can type in the letter A for angle and define an angle. So if I specify 0, there is our line, horizontal. So if we'd said 90, it would be vertical, 180, and so on. If we turn on the ortho command, and again repeat the line, so again we'll specify a length of 1500, but now you can see the line is locked to an orthogonal angle. Let's draw another one. Right click, specify the start point. This time we'll define the finish point with the relative command. So we hit R for relative, and we're asked for the delta, as in the difference, in X, Y, and Z. Z being the three-dimensional vertical component. So if we specify X as being, again, 1500, comma, 0, 0, enter. There again is our line at 1500 long. We've specified just 1500 in the X direction, nothing in Y direction or in the Z direction, being out of the page. Let's do the last option. So we'll specify there's the beginning of the line. This time we'll use the position tool. So we'll type P, and now it's asking us for a point. Rather than being relative to the start point, it's asking us to define an X, Y, Z coordinate for the end of the line. We know 0, 0, 0 is up here, so let's try that. 0, 0, 0, enter. So that's now defined the end point of the line to be at the dead center of the grid. Thank you for watching. For more information, please contact support@mpanel.com.